Hey there, welcome to our video on the boiled egg diet, the latest craze in the world of weight loss. If you're an American who's been trying to shed those extra pounds, you may have heard of this popular diet that promises to help you lose weight quickly by eating a lot of eggs. But is it too good to be true? In this video, we'll be diving deep into the boiled egg diet and giving you the inside scoop on how it works, its potential benefits and drawbacks, and whether it's a sustainable and healthy diet to follow. So, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and let's get cracking. What is the boiled egg diet? The boiled egg diet is a short-term diet that involves consuming a high amount of eggs, along with other protein-rich foods and low-carbohydrate vegetables. The diet typically lasts for 1 or 2 weeks, and involves consuming a specific number of eggs per day, along with small portions of lean protein and non-starchy vegetables. How does the boiled egg diet work? The boiled egg diet is designed to help you lose weight quickly by limiting your calorie intake and increasing your protein consumption. By consuming a high amount of protein and reducing your carbohydrate intake, your body is forced to burn stored fat for energy, which can result in rapid weight loss. However, it is important to note that the boiled egg diet is a very low-calorie diet, and it may not provide your body with all the nutrients it needs to function properly. Additionally, the diet may not be sustainable in the long term, and it may not promote healthy eating habits. Potential benefits of the boiled egg diet. One of the biggest benefits of the boiled egg diet is its potential for rapid weight loss. By limiting your calorie intake and increasing your protein consumption, you can expect to see quick results on the scale. In addition, consuming a high amount of protein can help you feel full and satisfied, which can make it easier to stick to the diet. Furthermore, the boiled egg diet may help you develop healthier eating habits, as it encourages you to consume more whole foods like lean protein and non-starchy vegetables. This can help you break the cycle of processed and junk food consumption that can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Drawbacks of the boiled egg diet. While the boiled egg diet may result in short-term weight loss, it is not necessarily a healthy or sustainable diet to follow. The diet is very low in calories and may not provide your body with all the nutrients it needs to function properly. Additionally, consuming a high amount of eggs can increase your cholesterol levels and may increase your risk of heart disease. It is also important to note that the boiled egg diet does not promote a well-rounded, balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Tips for healthy weight loss. If you are looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way, here are some tips to keep in mind. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. Rather than focusing on calorie restriction, focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods that provide your body with the vitamins and minerals it needs to function properly. This can include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Practice portion control. While it is important to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods, It is also important to practice portion control to ensure that you are not consuming more calories than your body needs. Stay active. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and promoting overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for regulating your appetite and metabolism, and can help you maintain a healthy weight. In conclusion, while the boiled egg diet may result in short-term weight loss, it is not necessarily a healthy or sustainable long-term diet. The diet is very restrictive and may not provide your body with all the nutrients it needs to function properly. Additionally, consuming a high amount of eggs may increase your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. If you are looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way, it's important to focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods in appropriate portions, staying physically active, getting enough sleep, and seeking the guidance of a registered dietitian or healthcare provider. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss, and what works for one person may not work for another. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in shedding light on the boiled egg diet. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.